Login failed on CIBC Investors Edge fix. You sit down to review your CIBC Investors Edge account, but instead of seeing your portfolio, you get the message login failed. It's frustrating, but before you panic, let's go through the simple steps that can get you back in fast. First, confirm your login details. CIBC Investors Edge uses your CIBC online banking credentials, so make sure your username and password are correct and up to date. If you've changed your password recently for another zip service, that same password now applies here too. If the system still won't let you in, try resetting your password using the Forgot Password option. You'll get a verification email or text message from CIBC. Follow the link to set a new password that meets their security standards. Next, check your browser or mobile app. Outdated software can cause connection or compatibility issues. If you're on desktop, use Chrome, Edge, or Safari and clear your cookies and cache before retrying. If you're on mobile, make sure the CIBC Investors Edge app is fully updated. One often overlooked cause of login failure is VPNs or corporate firewalls. These can trigger security blocks if the system thinks your login attempt is coming from another country. Disable your VPN temporarily and connect through your regular home network. It's also possible that CIBC system is temporarily down for maintenance. This usually happens late at night or on weekends. Wait 10 to 20 minutes and try again later. Chances are, you log in smoothly once maintenance is complete. After you're back in, consider enabling two-step verification for extra protection. It not only strengthens your account security, but also makes recovery easier if you face login problems again. So, the next time your CIBC Investors Edge login fails, don't worry, check your credentials, clear your cache, and make sure your app or browser is updated. With these steps, you'll be back managing your investments securely and confidently in minutes.